You may be using Enterprise Google or Microsoft Enterprise in your organization today. Do you really know they record every keystroke of each email sent? They're basically like postcards. They read everything you receive and they read everything you send. Under these circumstances, do you really think your design IPs, your product IPs, and the software requirements from your clients are protected? Let us take an example. Suppose you're working with a client who works from another subcontinent. Now you have communicated all the design changes, all the software requirements with them through your email service provider. Have you given it a thought if your email service provider can read all your emails, has the ability to share your emails with any third party, and they also have permanent access to your emails, are your emails actually safe and protected? No, they're absolutely not. We have designed Zunu to help you protect your confidential data, your organizational assets, and your IPs. The email which you send through Zunu is completely invisible to everyone, including your email service provider, any third party, and even us. Let me show you how. I have opened my Zunu Mail and Gmail account simultaneously to know the comparison. Let's say Bill wants to send an email to Amy. He wants to email her specific changes in the software requirements document shared priorly. Bill works for an organization A, which has outsourced some of its development activities to organization B, which is where Amy works. Both Amy and Bill have different email systems. Bill composes an email now. He enters Amy's email ID, who is also an enterprise Gmail user. He enters the subject and the body. Bill also adds an attachment. The email is ready to be sent and I click on send. Let us check the notification to see the status. And the email has been sent to Amy. Now let us look for the email at the recipient side, which is in Amy's Zunu Mail and in Gmail account. So this is how the email appears in Amy's Zunu Mail inbox, and this is how the email appears in her Gmail inbox on the right side. The email is totally encrypted. The subject, the body, and the attachment file, the name of the attachment is also encrypted. Hence, not just email service providers, but nobody except you can read your emails. You can conveniently use your existing email ID to use Zunu Mail. Zunu Mail makes your current email system fully secure and end-to-end encrypted.